my lovelies. Today is, I suppose, technically the first vlog of spring, if we are a little bit generous with when spring is starting. Today I have something really exciting, but also to me ridiculously scary to do because I am just an overgrown baby apparently. I am going to get my ears pierced, and it's not technically the first time, but obviously my ears are not pierced, and it's none of the scary ones. It's the simple earlobe, and I am still just terrified because I hate needles, but hopefully it's going to be okay. I have passed out just seeing needles on the television before, so that is how afraid I am of needles. To explain why this has taken me so long, I have been meaning to get my ears pierced honestly for years. I have wanted pierced ears, so I'm really excited to get this done. I also have a new handbag that I am going to unbox, so I'm going to do that first to pair with my outfit today. So let's move on to the living room. I have been waiting to open this bag with you guys, and I'm really excited, so it has been a little bit difficult, but let me get the box. So this is the handbag. This tells you a little bit about the size, I am sure, and you can see from the logo that this is from Songmont. They very kindly sent over one of their more, I think maybe the most popular handbag they have. So spoiler alert, this is the Luna handbag. I am super excited to try it. I've looked at it many times and thought, which color do I get? And now I just had to choose one, so let's find out what color I chose together. So we have some straps, one strap and another strap at the bottom here. Obviously the handbag comes in a dust bag. Let's just open that up. The dust bag feels really nice, even though it's completely plain. There is no branding on it or anything. It feels actually quite nice. So, oh, it looks so good. So this is the bag. Let me just cut this. Here we have the bag. How beautiful is this half moon shape? Let me get the shorter strap first so we can get more of a complete look. So I think this goes on, that slides on very easily. One of the very cool things about this handbag is that you can switch out how you wear it. So it comes with a shorter strap and a longer one, but you can also do a couple different versions just with the bag itself, so I'll show you those. I absolutely love this shade. It is the ivory one, and I think that is going to be so good for spring and summer. I don't really have any other handbags in this shade, and I think it is fantastic as an alternative to a stark white handbag, which can be more difficult to keep clean, and just as a different vibe. I love that this is a little bit more relaxed. It just is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm very curious because this opens in quite a unique way. So the fold at the top here, let me get rid of this as well. Just opens like that. So I think you're supposed to be able to connect these two pieces together to get a really, really cool shape. It will obviously diminish what you can fit into the bag, but I mean, it's going to look really cool, I think. Yes, it does. I think that is such a cool shape. Definitely sort of an Instagram moment where it looks really good when you hold it like this. If you're going to a party and you don't need a ton of things and you want a bit of a statement clutch, this would be so good. So I think that actually makes this bag quite versatile because of the different ways you can wear it. Before I undo that, you can also do this. That's also really cool. Again, such a fashiony look, if we can say that, where I think that if you wear something really basic like what I have on now, really, and then you add this handbag in such a sculptural shape, I think that is going to just really lift and elevate the outfit. And then it's really easy to make it a simple shoulder bag or even a crossbody bag. So let me find the crossbody strap, which should be this one. So that is essentially what it looks like when you have fastened the crossbody strap as well. That's really nice. I need to try that on right away. This is exactly where I want my crossbody bags to hit. And again, I can tell that this is really comfortable because it's sort of shaping to my body a little bit. But even for traveling, this would be so good to have different options within the same handbag, where you can wear this for sort of walking around, sightseeing, and then you can wear it as that little sort of round shape if you're going out to dinner. I just think that is amazing. You have so many options. Really, really enjoy the look of this handbag so far. So for first impressions, I am super excited about this handbag. I think it is beautiful and it will make an amazing addition to my handbag collection. The hardware is beautiful, it's really sleek, and it adds a little bit of, I want to say, a touch of luxury to the handbag. It really adds a little bit of something to it, but it's not too overpowering. The leather feels really good as well. It's full grain leather, so it's only going to get better with use. Feels really nice and soft. I will be filling this bag up and wearing it for the little outing I have today. Almost forgot I'm going to get my ears pierced, but now I remembered and now I'm worried all over again. But this has definitely made my day a lot better. I think this is going to go perfect into my handbag collection. And with that out of the way, I am just going to get ready. I'm going to have some lunch and then I am headed to get my ears pierced. Finally, I have been waiting for this day, or trying to avoid it. Either or. But either way, let's get on with the day. All right, I am nearly at the place. I think it's a tattoo studio. They also do piercings. Either way, I am nearly there. It's just a short walk from where I have parked. I just wanted to check in. I'm quite nervous at the moment, but I will ask them if they are okay with me filming in there. If not, I am not going to push it whatsoever, and I'm just going to be back once I have hopefully gotten my ears pierced. And I realized I didn't actually show you my outfit, so I'll see if I can put my camera up somewhere and we can do a little outfit check, because I have 15 minutes. I'm early because I'm nervous, so yeah, let's go. Alright, a little street outfit check. I always feel so self-conscious when I do this, but here we are. So the trench coat is new. It is from Lily Silk. I think it goes so well with this handbag. Honestly, I love them together. The jeans are all there from And Other Stories, and then the silk blouse you've already seen. I also pair this with my Veja sneakers, so hopefully you can see this works really well with the color of the handbag, white sneakers and this. Really love it. My jewellery is from Ania Hay. I did a collaboration with them recently. I really love the pieces, so I'm just going to wear them to death essentially. But that's probably enough of me making a fool of myself on the street, so let's go, shall we? Okay, well, I am done. That was over in like less than 10 minutes and it just went so fast and I was so nervous that I didn't film anything at all. Very sorry about that. But there we are. Can't really feel this one. This one hurts a little bit. It stings a bit, not gonna lie. I'm very happy it's over. It definitely wasn't pain-free, but honestly that could have been a lot worse, so I should have done this a long time ago. Very typical that I just spend way too much time worrying about how painful it's going to be instead of just, I mean, the worrying is more painful than actually taking them. I was surprised by how little it actually hurt. I guess I don't have that much feeling in my ears. Never really thought about that. Just thought about the huge needle. Anyways, I am headed to check up on some new makeup products. So I need a couple things that I am out of, so let's go do that. I am very sorry, this is probably very noisy, so let's just go to the shops. this vlog is all over the place. I am very sorry. Let me show you what I bought. I didn't buy nearly as much as I thought I needed. I only bought a couple of products, and I am now remembering I should have bought a brow brush as well. My brain is just not computing. It's just not wanting to do anything other than the one thing I had on the plan today. So there we are. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself, but I desperately needed a new lip liner. I've talked about this before. When you only have one of everything, if you lose that one, you're out. And I have my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude lip liner. Love that one. I've lost it. Again, I keep losing lip liners, and they don't have Charlotte Tilbury in Norway, of course, so I just had to see what was in the shops, and I ended up with a MAC lip liner. They're not my favorite formula, but they're also quite good. They're also like, I'm having a good time with them. And this is a new shade for me. This is Beige Turner. Beige Turner? Is that supposed to be a pun on something? Maybe. But it looks like it's going to be a good light nude shade. Let's try it right now. That's a good shade. And then I also ended up buying yet another of the Milk Makeup Kush Brow lamination gels. So this brow gel is really good. I really love this brush, as you can hopefully tell. It has long strands on one side and short on the other. So it's really good for getting all the product on the brow and then sort of shape it with the shorter ones. I really love it, but as you can see, it's tiny, so I go through these so quickly, but I keep repurchasing them, so they are good. And the final thing I bought is not makeup, it's just a skincare product, the Ordinary Lactic Acid. I've just run out, so I had to get a backup. This is the 10%. I've usually used the 5, so hopefully this will be even better, a bit more effective maybe. I also bought these like eye drops for cleaning around the earrings, and the piercer was really good, but if you have any other tips for how to care for them, then please do let me know. She was really nice, and she made me feel so at ease, so I'm really happy that I ended up going to her. It really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. To those of you who commented that it really wasn't that bad, you were of course correct, and I'm really happy that I've finally done it. I think the mental pain was the worst, although it is a fairly thick needle going through your skin, so it's not pleasant, I wouldn't say. This one is still giving just a tiny bit of a burn. This one I can't really even feel. Good sign, isn't it? Hopefully this is going to go better than when I tried to have my ears pierced when I was 7, I think. That just really didn't go well. I think one of them fell out during the night. I even got so far that I switched them, which I did way too soon. But one of them fell out, it grew, and then I had enough. It was too much of the infection and everything. So hopefully I will avoid some of that this time. We will see. Fingers crossed. Anyways, I am headed to my mum's now, so I thought it's probably a good idea to end the vlog here. It's going to be late by the time I get home. Don't really have anything else interesting to do today. I'm just wanting to do a little bit of a final update on my Songmont Luna bag. Again, I can definitely do a review if you're interested, but this bag is amazing. I love it. It's so comfortable to wear. I've obviously worn it only crossbody today, but it's actually much easier to get in and out of as well than I feared, because it has no zipper, just that flap. I think it's so elegant. I really enjoy it, and I'm absolutely not worried about using it. It's a really nice capacity for the handbag as well. I fit my little camera, my phone, my wallet, all of it in it. And so far I am just really impressed, and I can for sure do a review if anyone is interested once I have used it a bit. Definitely one of the weirder vlogs I have done. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you very shortly in my next video, which is going to be my spring capsule wardrobe video. Bye!